This week, Google gave NotebookLM its biggest upgrade ever. It can now open a private computer, write code, run it, and hand you back finished work. It's a genuine leap. And here's the strange part. Almost nobody watching this video can actually use it. That's not a glitch in the rollout. It's a decision. The single most powerful thing NotebookLM can now do is locked away on purpose. And once you understand why, you'll start seeing the exact same move across every AI tool you touch. This is the control room. Today, what just happened to NotebookLM and the quiet shift it reveals about where AI is really going. For 2 years, NotebookLM was a reader. You fed it documents and it answered questions about them. Nothing more. As of this month, it does something fundamentally different. Running on Google's newest model and a framework called anti-gravity, every notebook now comes with its own secure cloud computer. Give it a messy spreadsheet, and it no longer just describes the data. It writes a program, runs the numbers, and hands you back a finished chart. That distinction is the whole story. The old version would look at your data and guess the trend, and sometimes guess wrong, confidently. The new version actually does the math. It stopped being a tool that talks about your work and became one that does it. That's the exact line every AI company is now racing to cross, from answering to acting. So naturally, you'd want to try it. Here's the catch: you probably can't. At launch, this lives behind Google's most expensive plan, Google AI Ultra, starting at $100 a month. The free tier, the cheaper Plus tier, even the $20 Pro plan, they all keep the old NotebookLM. No code execution, no new powers, and Google won't say when or whether that changes. Now, if this were just one Google product, it would be a footnote. It isn't. Pull the camera back, and the very same pattern is sitting in front of you across the entire industry. Look at the top of every AI menu in 2026. ChatGPT's Pro plan, $200 a month. Claude's Max plan, up to $200. Perplexity's Max plan, $200. Grok's heaviest tier, $300. A year ago, the ceiling for almost all of these was $20. In a matter of months, a whole new floor appeared far above it. And here's what's telling. It isn't just more of the same. Look at what actually lives up there. Perplexity's top tier sells early access to features that aren't even finished yet, and a tool that builds entire apps for you. Google's sells the computer that runs your code. The premium tier isn't a faster chatbot, it's the part that acts on your behalf, and that's the part being fenced off. So the real shift in AI this year isn't a smarter model or a flashier demo. It's a line being drawn through the middle of every product. On one side, the tools that inform you, increasingly free, increasingly good. On the other, the tools that do the work for you, and those now cost what a professional software seat costs. NotebookLM didn't just get an upgrade, it crossed that line and pulled the gate shut behind it. What's forming, quietly, is a two-tier AI world. A free tier that answers your questions, and a premium tier that operates on your behalf. The gap between them isn't shrinking. It's being widened on purpose because that gap is the business model. The agentic features are what justify the $100 plan. So who should actually pay? If your work lives in spreadsheets, research, and reports, if you genuinely use an AI that runs the analysis instead of just describing it, then yes, the agentic tier is a real leap, and right now the only door to it is the expensive one. Just go in clear-eyed. You're paying for capability, not convenience. But if you're a student, a writer, a curious person trying to learn faster, here's the honest answer. The free tools today are better than the paid tools were a year ago. You are not falling behind. You're early. Wait, and these features will come down the ladder. They always do. Whoever charges $200 first rarely stays up there alone for long. So here's the takeaway worth keeping. When a tool just dropped something you're not allowed to touch, that's not hype to scroll past. It's a map. Watch which capabilities move behind the paywall, because that, more than any benchmark or any demo, is where artificial intelligence is actually heading. If you want the signal every week, the shift underneath the headlines, subscribe, and drop this in the comments. What's the one thing you need AI to actually do for your research that no tool has figured out yet? We're tracking what the market is still missing. New episodes weekly. I'll see you in the next one.